Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Lekxagabo.com, a site that specializes in all things Halloween. Think decorations, gifts, and enough lights to make your neighbors hate you. It sounds like a spooky dream, but before you hand over your credit card, let's see if this place is a treat or just a very expensive trick. Because nothing says legit business quite like a name that sounds like an accidental typo during a frantic Google search. Starting with the positives, the domain was registered in August 2023. The site suggests this means they've been around for over 2 years, which indicates they've mastered the art of time travel along with retail. Having a bit of history usually means it's not just a fly-by-night operation, and they certainly don't lack variety. Whether you want a haunted party or just some quirky junk for your desk, they've got it all. It's a one-stop shop for anyone who wants to turn their home into a horror movie set without the effort of actually being haunted. But here's where the mask starts to slip. The reviews on their actual website look suspiciously perfect, but a quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a dismal 2.9-star rating from customers who are definitely not vibing. We're talking complaints about bottom-tier quality, broken items, and a refund process that's more elusive than Bigfoot. Their on-site reviews are so glowing you'd think the products were hand-delivered by a ghost who also does your taxes, but the reality seems to involve a lot more damaged in transit and a lot less customer satisfaction. To make matters worse, there is absolutely zero information about who actually runs this company. No names, no faces, and no founder backstory, just a faceless entity taking your money. It's the kind of transparency you'd expect from a secret society, not a decoration store. Plus, if things go south, your only hope is an email address. No phone number, no live chat, just you sending messages into the digital void and hoping for a reply before next Halloween rolls around. So, what's the final verdict? Lekxagabo has the tenure and the inventory, but the shady reviews and ghost mode customer service are major red flags. If you're still tempted to buy that life-size skeleton, I'd suggest proceeding with extreme caution. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful and want to avoid getting ghosted by your next online order, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest takes. Thanks for watching.